All right, cozy story time. The Shy Dragon Who Sneezed Glitter. In a quiet valley tucked between soft blue hills lived a small dragon named Lumi. Unlike other dragons who roared loudly and breathed fire for fun, Lumi preferred silence. He hid behind rocks, tiptoed through meadows, and blushed whenever anyone looked his way. Lumi had a secret. Whenever he sneezed, glitter exploded out of his nose. Not sparks, not smoke. Glitter, silver, gold, pink, and every color that ever dared to shine. Achoo! The problem was, Lumi sneezed a lot, so he stayed away from everyone. One spring morning, pollen floated through the air like tiny feathers. Lumi felt that familiar tickle in his nose. He froze. "Oh no, not now," he whispered. "Too late." Achoo! A massive cloud of glitter burst into the sky, raining sparkles over the valley. Flowers shimmered, rocks twinkled, even the river glowed like it was made of stars. The villagers gasped. Instead of running away, they cheered. "Did you see that? It's beautiful. The valleys never looked like this." Lumi peeked from behind a tree, his heart pounding. No one was laughing. No one was scared. They were smiling, pointing at the sky, spinning under the falling glitter. A brave little child waved. "Was that you, Mr. Dragon?" Lumi swallowed, then nodded. "Well, bless you," the child said. Everyone laughed kindly. From that day on, Lumi was no longer just a shy dragon. He became Lumi the Glitter Dragon. When festivals were dull or the valley felt gloomy, the villagers would gently ask, "Lumi, do you feel a sneeze coming?" Lumi still got shy sometimes, but now, when he sneezed, he knew something magical would happen. Achoo! And the world sparkled just a little more.